Hi! In front of me is REALME NARZO 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this REALME. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Following that, get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, click on Allow in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. Then access Devices Settings. In them, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. Then click on Default Apps and Home app. Lastly, click on iOS Launcher in order to apply it and pick Got It in this pop-up. As you can see after that, app layout was applied successfully on my Android. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing exactly the same settings and tapping on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!